Namaste, everyone. Do you remember your first color TV? Didn't it feel like magic? Suddenly, the world wasn't just shades of grey, it was bursting with vibrant colors. Well, hold on to your chai cups and coffee mugs, because today we are standing on the edge of another revolution, the revolution of generative AI, or generative artificial intelligence. Imagine having a digital Picasso in your pocket. You whisper an idea into it and then, boom, it paints a masterpiece. It's like teaching a parrot to speak, only much quicker. And it could also write poetry. But how does this digital magic work? And why does it fool our senses so easily? Think of generative AI as a super fast student using massive amounts of data, including paintings, music, literature, you name it. It analyzes patterns, styles, and nuances, then uses this knowledge to create something entirely new. Imagine a supercomputer digesting every single painting by M.F. Hussain. It learns his brushstrokes, his color palettes, even his emotions. Then it uses this knowledge to create a brand new painting, one that even art experts might struggle to identify as AI generated. The reason this technology feels like magic is because it can produce hyper-realistic, yet entirely fabricated content. The content, whatever it might be, a painting, a poem, a piece of music, looks or sounds as if it was made by a human being, making it hard to tell the difference. This ability to mimic human creativity is what makes generative AI so fascinating and powerful. It's like giving everyone a magic mirror that reflects not just what is, but what could be, blurring the lines between reality and imagination. Imagine this. You ask a generative AI to write a news report about famous scientists from history discussing something completely unexpected. Say, the latest trends in Indian street food. In seconds, you can get a detailed article about Albert Einstein comparing notes with Isaac Newton on the science behind making the perfect jalebi. Newton, known for his laws of motion and universal gravitation, approached the problem of making jalebis with a methodical and empirical mindset. Einstein humorously compared the spiral shape of jalebis to the curvature of space-time, where the batter's path bends under the influence of gravitational forces in the frying pan. Combining their insights, Newton and Einstein concluded that making jalebis is both an art and a science. I know, it's absurd, yet strangely convincing. It's almost as if the AI is telling us, oh, you thought that was strange? Just wait till you see what else I can do. Now, let's dive into the world of deepfakes, shall we? Imagine a video in which Sachin Tendulkar is reciting nursery rhymes, or another in which Lata Mangeshkar is singing a rap song. These videos look astonishingly real and remind us how easily our eyes and ears can be tricked by these digital sorcerers. The AI's confident delivery only deepens the illusion. It's as if the machine is saying, trust me, I'm infallible. What could possibly go wrong? Generative AI's power to craft convincing content is both a marvel and a menace. It doesn't merely create, it persuades with a confidence that could rival the most seasoned storyteller. As these technologies become more woven into the fabric of our daily lives, we must question what we see, hear, and read. After all, if a machine can create it, how do we know what's real? So, the next time you encounter something outlandish, remember, your eyes might deceive you, especially if an AI is pulling the strings. In the age of generative AI, reality is just a well-crafted prompt away from fiction. Now, let's arm ourselves with some practical tips to spot AI-generated content. Number 1, check for unnatural details. Look for odd lighting, strange reflections, or inconsistent backgrounds. If you see a video of Spider-Man flying over your neighborhood, it might be time to question the image. 2, analyze the source. Is it from a trusted news outlet or some random website? If your breaking news is coming from something like totallyrealnews123.com, maybe you should take it with a grain of salt or even with a whole salt shaker. 3, look for watermarks. Some AI-generated content has watermarks. If you see "made by Deepfake Pro" in the corner, it's probably not the real deal. 4, use reverse image search. Tools like Google Reverse Image Search can help you find an image's origin. If that UFO over Mumbai is also a UFO over New York, it might be time to reconsider your belief in aliens. 5, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. If you see a video of me breakdancing, trust your instincts. It's probably not real. In fact, it's definitely not real. The dance between human perception and AI is both amusing and cautionary. Our tendency to believe what we see, combined with AI's ability to create convincing illusions, creates a world where the absurd can quickly become accepted as the truth. So, dear viewers, keep your wits about you. Question the improbable and even the probable. In this digital age, seeing isn't just believing. It's the beginning of a very interesting story. Remember, whether it's a WhatsApp forward or a viral video, always ask yourself, is this real or is it just fantasy? And if you see Lord Ganesh giving stock market tips, well, maybe it's time to log off and enjoy a cup of chai or a mug of coffee instead. Thank you for joining us on this whimsical journey through the world of AI. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay Saksham.